happy Vlogmas day 6! So I know I titled yesterday's video a whole lot of nothing and used my kitty's picture as potential clickbait, but today might really be a day filled of a whole lot of nothing because, one, I don't go to work at all today. I wasn't scheduled for the indoor job or the ice rink. And also, if we take a look outside. Yep, it's still raining. So no work today meant that I got to sleep in, and it's an absolutely great feeling. I haven't slept enough to where my back starts aching, which is like the signal for my body that it's time to get up. You've had enough sleep. My back starts to kind of ache a little bit. It's a weird thing that doesn't sound good, but I haven't been able to do that in a while, and it felt amazing. But I think I'm gonna get some breakfast right now. It's what, 9, 10? I've been eating so much candy lately. Before I would just not eat candy or try not to avoid candy, but you know, I've got a box of C's candy chocolates still and gingerbread men downstairs and just a whole lot of candy. So today was truly a lazy day. I didn't bother getting ready for anything. I mean, look at my hair. It's a 1:39. I'm gonna go take a workout class at 5:30. So I know I'm going to gym in a few hours, but I still want to play some more with this palette. So here we go. I'm gonna give it the no primer test to see how it goes with that, because the swatches didn't come off that easily when I washed it off my hands. Maybe tomorrow I'll go for a more different color family, but today I went for something quite similar to what I did on Tuesday. It looks so weird without my eyebrows drawn in. I just want to say I'm so glad I jumped right into another job and another second job after getting laid off from my student job, because if I just sat around all day without a job and like anything to do really, I would be sleeping and snacking all day like I'm doing right now, because I have hours to spare. Because I have I want to say about an hour or two to spare. Eventually I'd get up and be motivated again to make YouTube videos, kind of like I am right now. But yeah, I'm just out of ideas of what to film other than just my everyday vlog and such. So right now, anyways, I'm watching The Little Mermaid on Netflix right now.
She watched from behind a rock, the prince awoke.
And then I guess I'll head to the gym after I finish this movie. it's kind of hard with ceramics to get the sizes. I don't know, either the exact same just because of drying and shrinkage rates. It's not always consistent. But I somehow managed to make my pitcher and my mug the perfect size because I frothed some milk to make a matcha green tea latte, and it's like the perfect amount of milk in here. Impressed with myself again. Please enjoy these 2 minutes of me swooning over my girls. And if you don't like them, skip it. So we are going to do a little experiment of what these little girls like. Oh, your face! So cute. Okay, so the two factors are this and this. Temptations versus Meow Mix treats. That's backwards. Okay, let's see which they like. Oh, we've captured their attention. Okay, that was definitely in shot. Let's do this. Alright, I'm gonna grab one Temptation and one Meow Mix. Come here! Come here! Oh, Giselle went for the Meow Mix! Gemma! You know, I've tried feeding these to Giselle before and she did not go for the Meow Mix. Oh. You guys, you're confusing me. What do you like? Giselle, what do you like? Wait. Oh. Giselle went for the Temptation again. I think we're both confusing each other now, huh? Alright, so I think we're coming out of this more confused than we were before. Because before, I truly thought Giselle did not like the Meow Mix treats because when I offered it to her, or maybe it was because I had Landon offer it to her, but she did not have the Meow Mix at all, and Gemma ended up taking the Meow Mix away from her. But now she's eating it, so I guess she likes it. Gemma, you have the guiltiest look on your face. Look at what's on your nose. Giselle. What's up, guys? I'm at Nikki's house for Halloween party. Sam's gonna do some vlogging for me.
Hi guys, Kathy here. This is my vlog. If you like my videos, subscribe at the bottom. Thanks.
Sweet.
Whatever floats your boat.
What do we have here?
This is supposed to be a mummy.
Yum. I don't care how it looks, I just care how it tastes. Great progress. You've been doing this for probably 20 minutes.
Ultimate skills.
Yeah, you cut open that pumpkin, Matt.
Yeah, Matt. You made it.
We got a cat with the cricket eyes. Very on theme. Scary pumpkin. These two goons are still working on theirs.
And get out of here. Looks alright. Looks like whoever held it still was really backing the team on that one. Oh my god, mine looks so... How cute. I'm taking video?
This is like a micro vlog, I guess.
Micro. It's like
Just
Nikki's
like...
penis.
Exactly like Nikki's penis. Hey, what's up guys? It's Kathy here. So I'm starting the vlogs a little bit earlier than Vlogmas time, but I'm at work right now. I'm working at the Queen Mary seasonally. Just a fun thing. Anyways, I'm with a few of my co-workers and we are heading. We just went to the engine room, but now we're heading to the pool, which apparently is the most haunted place on the ship. Should be fun. Let's go. Get in there.
You down towards that.
So I can't actually go into the pool, but we can actually look at it from here.
You stay outside a little longer, you'll see something.
It's anticlimactic. So now we're headed to room 340.
That shit look creepy.
That is pretty creepy.
Yeah.
Yeah. That's not it.
I know, but it's like, you know, I see someone standing in the hallway.
Wait, there's a sign. Fainting spell? Oh. Damn. It happened right there. They are though.
If I get possessed, that's one over there.
Alright. I'm filming. Go, go, go.
Y'all scared me. I was really walking up. Can I open it? Someone dropped something right there. She would just do it.
Wait, did you touch the door? I didn't catch it.
Alright, I'm gonna touch it.
Go, 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 go.
It's supposed to happen if I touch it. You're sold, Mom.
Go, 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 go. For sure.
You're sucking out yourself more than like
Yeah, just do it.
1, 2, 3, grab.
Knock on it.
Oh, knock on it. Yeah, knock on it.
Oh, no, that's creepy.
Go, put your ear. Don't put me on your blood. Don't get me not looking like this.
I really am sucking myself out.
No. Yeah, what is that? Do I want to go past? Over there?
Backward.
Over there.
So I've been doing a lot of micro vlogging lately, and I just wanted to quickly pop in and say, if I wasn't headed to the gym right now, I would totally follow this truck to my next great meal. Oh my god, that's close. Truly looking like a whole mess. I'm going to the gym in the morning, so I'm not gonna bother to wash my hair tonight. But that's gonna be it for today's vlog. Hope you guys enjoyed. I really wish I had gotten my hands on one of those advent calendars, but alas, I flaked and lagged on that, so I don't think they're selling them anymore, but oh well. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave me a thumbs up, comment, subscribe, whatever floats your boat, and I will see you tomorrow for Vlogmas Day 7, aka my birthday. Peace out, Girl Scout.